we're on. This is Shauna and everyone, like, liking. I bet you would, Shauna.
Stop! Damn, girl.
So are you, Shauna, so we're all good. I know how to fly, and I've flown through a window already. I think I'm good. Oh, no, I don't. That actually hurt. That was no fair. Mason's stronger than me. That's not fair. Mason's stronger than me.
I will step on you like a bug.
And then I'll stick Mitchell on you. What was that? Oof. What was that? Like, what language? Like, what language is that? Like, oof.
Stop!
La 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 la.
Enough. Oh, wait a minute. Enough. Go lean on me that way. Never.
Oh! Oh! Don't punch the camera person! You.
There's a big fly.
And it's not me! Stop hitting me with the damn fly swatter. Hey! Whoa, get away from me. Stupid fly. No! Stop, that actually hurts. Yeah, that hurts really bad. No, go away with the camera! I'm trying to hold the camera. My tune is falling out of my shirt. I have a welt mark from that thing now. Sit on. I got it! Hello. Hi, Morgan. Good. How are you? Ow! Stop hitting me with the damn fly swatter! Stop!
Smile. Where are we going this time? I'm sorry, I was just trying to kill the big fly.
Well, Shauna and us are here. We're just cooking supper. Ow! Stop it, you bitch! She's hitting me with the fly swatter while I'm on the phone and defenseless.
I didn't feel a thing.
It's not funny. Ow! Okay, stop hitting me with the damn fly swatter!
What? It was a fly!
One, I'm holding the camera. Two, I'm holding the phone. Hey, give me back the camera!
This is her freaking out because I'm hitting her with a fly swatter.
Okay, stop it!
Even though I'm not even touching her. Stop, Tina!
Stop hitting me with the fly swatter.
I didn't even hit you yet. Notice the word yet.
Like, fake necklaces and bracelets.
Yeah? What's your point?
He wants the idiot $20 and wants to see if he can buy some. Don't you even think about it.
She's thinking.
What's so funny?
Smacking you. Really, it is.
I'm just trying to keep the flies away from her, and she's having a hissy fit over it.
Oh, honest. Oh, this sounds cool.
Puss, puss. Oh!
You're not hitting me
Stop
with it.
fighting.
Well, that one you deserve because you kicked me in the stomach.
Sorry.
Yeah, Cody, did you hear that? Tasha just kicked me in the stomach. What?